Welcome back. Now when your content is final in Kindle Create, you're then going to click the Publish button. You're going to be asked to save the final file. And then Kindle is going to package the project for publication. And then that will be the file that we're going to upload to our Kindle account. And as you can see here, one of the formats that we can use is the KPF format. That's the format that we just saved to. So now we're going to click this button and we're going to grab our file. The upload process will start and then Kindle will save our manuscript. But once we've done that, we then have what's called the Kindle ebook previewer. And so we can click this previewer so that we can see how our book is going to appear on most Kindle e-readers. So at this point, we can now click Launch Previewer. And the preview will start. And you can then see how your book is actually going to look. Now, if you have an error that you can correct, Kindle will tell you what that error is. So for example, we can click View the Error. And we can choose to correct the error, or we can choose to ignore it. Now, for the sake of time, what we're going to do is we're going to ignore this error, even though we would typically go back and correct our document and re-upload it. So what we're going to do is we're going to click Ignore. When we do that, we're going to click Go Back to Content. Now, if you have an ISBN or you are using a publishing company or a publishing brand, you can write that in. Otherwise, you can either save this entire document as a draft, or you can click Save and Continue. So we have now saved the document as a draft. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.